friends, Mrs. E here, and today we are going to walk through all the things we're going to need to know to do our music classes. So for right now, our music classes are going to be in Schoology. And if you are in Schoology, all you need to do is go to the corner and click this little S so that you can go to your home page. My home page is going to look a little different than yours because I'm a teacher, and that's okay. I'm going to scroll until I find my class's music class. You will know it is the right music class because it will have in the corner little music notes, and it will also say music. It will also have your grade and your teacher. So if I am in 2nd grade, Mrs. Bell, then I would be looking for 2B music. And it's right here, 2B music. So I will click on the 2B music, and then you will see a folder that says Lesson 1. You can also see my upcoming assignments over here. So we're going to be getting here in a second, but you can also see all of the things that are due for this class. I'm going to click on Music Lesson 1, and then you're going to see our main lesson, which is going to say Music Lesson 1. And I will click on that. Now you're going to be taken to something called Nearpod. Nearpod is a program that we're going to run in the same page. You do not need to do anything. You are exactly where you need to be. All you need to do now is type in your name. My name is Mrs. E, so that's what I'm going to type. With the other optional name, I'm going to put in my grade and my teacher's letter, the letter of their first name. If I'm not sure what that is, all I have to do is go up to the corner and see what number and letter does the picture have. This one has 2B, so I'm going to put in 2B. Then I will click Join Lesson. Then we have a welcome video. And then we will have some questions. We're going to start with the question, what are your favorite things right now? Movies, books, games, and whatever you would like to share. You can type in your answer, or you can record your answer. I'm going to type in, what do I really like right now? Ooh, I really like Star Wars. I rewatched all the movies over the summer. So I'm going to put in Star Wars, and then I'm going to click Submit. If I don't click Submit, it doesn't count. So make sure you click the blue button that says Submit. Then it will take me to a quiz, so we can practice how to take a quiz. Who is your music teacher? I gave you a really hard question. Just kidding. The answers are Mr. Incredible, Mrs. E, Frosting, or Santa. I regret to inform you that Santa is not your music teacher. It's Mrs. E. So I will click B because that is the correct answer. And then I will click Submit. Submit is really important. It doesn't count if you don't click Submit. 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 And it will tell me that I got the answer right because I am a genius. Now it says match Frosting, Noodle, and Catfish to pictures of themselves. This is kind of in the way right now, so if I click this little blue arrow, it will make it go up so that I have more room. So basically, I need to click the two that are the same. So here is Catfish being lazy in his box, and I will click that, match that to the catfish. Then here's Noodle, probably looking for some food he can steal. And I'm going to match him to the other Noodle. And here's Frosting being silly on a walk, and match him to the other Frosting. Continue. This one's really fun. This is where you get to actually draw. So draw your favorite animal. Click the little, whoops, accidentally went back. Draw your favorite animal. I'm going to go ahead and draw a cat. Now, I do not expect you to be Michelangelo here. I do not expect you to have a perfect, amazing picture. Do the best you can. You're going to be drawing on the computer. So if it's not perfect, that's totally okay. Mine's not going to be perfect. La la la. Here's a little kitten. So here's my cat. And if I want to, I can actually type in cat. Let's make that a little bigger. And I can label what it is. Then I'm going to click Submit. Submit is very important. It doesn't count if you don't click Submit. You've heard me say that a lot because it's true. Is there anything else about you that you would like me to know? I want you to really think about this question because if there's anything you really want me to know, your favorite things, your favorite music, anything, let me know. Tell me. I want to know you. I want to know what your favorite things are. I want to know whatever you want me to know. I'll put in that I really like sushi. Because I do. And that's important to know about me. And then I will click Submit. Submit is really important. It doesn't count if you don't click Submit. The end. We made it. Now, if you go through this really quickly, there is an extra page that will send you to Chrome Music Lab. And you can experiment with Chrome Music Lab if you have any extra music time. Okay, my friends, now you should know everything you need to know to have a great first music. I can't wait to get to know you better. I'm really excited to see your answers. Here we go.